Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Counter-Strike 1.26 error. So let's start. Now for the first method, you just want to go to the Windows search bar, search for Device Manager. Now once this opens, you just need to go to Display Adapters and open it, and then you want to select your graphics card, not the integrated one. It starts usually with NVIDIA or AMD. Once you select it, make sure to right click and then select Update Driver. After that, select Search Automatically for Drivers and then select Close. Now for the second method, you just want to go to your Steam launcher, open it. After that, go to Library and select Collections. Now you must search for your Counter-Strike game, which is this one. After that, go to the gear icon right here in the right, which is Manage, select it. After that, select Properties. After that, go to Installed Files. You can see verify this game's files are installed correctly, so make sure to select on Verify Integrity of Game Files. That way, the verification will begin and every lost or corrupted file will be recovered once again. Just wait for the completion of this process and you can now safely restart the game without any issues. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.